Hi everyone. Here's a Harbor Breeze Builder's Best. Well, it's like similar to the classic ceiling fan. I bought this at Habitat last weekend, and I was hooking this up yesterday, and I was started testing it. It was going on. It was just only around 1 speed. So that's not right. So it's just only once on, I think, low, and it goes really slow, and that's it. I mean, so this fan, and actually I'm opening up the switch cup and at the cab, and then I pulled the capacitor down. Well, actually, I see what the problem is, and it was a bad capacitor. So it was kind of blown a little bit, very blown, than my Calera. And my Harbor Breeze Calera actually does have a bad capacitor. So it did came with the light kit, which is here's the light kit right there. That's the light kit that came with the fan. It did came with 2 shades. I couldn't find the third one, so I just took with 2 shades, but anyways, I'm gonna show you. I'll get you a closer look at it. It does look like a classic though. Like a classic, but I've just always been wanting one of these. I also already have a classic. Well, it's called the Springfield / Classic. The Springfield, it's similar to the classic style, but the Springfield has a light kit to it. So if you compare it a little bit, well, or contrast, if you kind of compare, but anyway. Yeah, here it is. It's got pretzel brackets. There's the race chain. And it's probably going to be a little bit short because this one has a back capacitor. Also, the reverse switch is upside down, so and if it's up, it goes summertime mode, and then if you point it down, it goes winter mode. So I think it just needs to be flipped around. But man, I'll prove it to you. So, alright, so high, medium, low. Yeah, I mean, it did work a little bit fast, but now it's just gonna blow. I don't want to run it too long because I don't want this capacitor to go. And I'm not going to, well, it's going to be a lot shorter video. I'm not going to get capacitor yet because I want to save money for some ceiling fans. I'm going to get the fan emission group trip here in a couple weeks. And also, I just want to get an original. And maybe I need to get an teletext for that Panama, which is right there. Because I don't have a teletext remote. So, if I get one, there's actually, you could probably use that for any type of fan, but it's kind of wobbling a little because it doesn't have a screw in there. It does have a cotter pin. Let me show you. There you go. Doesn't feel that much of an air movement. This is low, I think, or high. I'm not sure. I'm kind of getting mixed up. Well, hopefully I need to get a new capacitor eventually for this more destruction. So I think it might be a little bit low. That's it. Yeah, I'm not going to show you until on reverse, so the next video I'll show you on reverse for summertime and winter mode. clockwise and counterclockwise, because I don't want it to get more. I just don't want it too long. Anyways, thanks for watching. Next video will be with the light kit. This is what I'm going to show you what it looks like with the bat. It does seem a little bit warm, but it's off. I unplugged it, so it's very blown in the back. Wow, see that? It's very blown up. So this one is definitely going to get replaced. This is definitely going to get really replaced. Just want to show you that. Hello everyone. Here's the ceiling fan with the light kit. Now, this one has 2 out of the 3 shades, because one, well, the other one is like missing. When I was habitat, the 3rd globe, I didn't see it. So, let's just let the 2. It is a little bit cracked, so let me show you. It's a little bit cracked, like right there. Yeah, a little crack is right there. And here's the fan. Here's the light kit. So the back capacitor. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the light. Turn the light. High doesn't work. Medium doesn't work. Low works. You probably even hear the noise of the motor. Oops. A little bit of the motor. Maybe. Shouldn't pop. And you may notice something different on the electrical box. It's now like a metal, because I'm actually gonna hook 3 fans like over there, 3 small fans. I already have the Monte Carlo, and I'm gonna be putting the Classico Vanity Fair and the Quorum Hugger. I'm not sure it's probably gonna fit, so I'm gonna have to take one of them down so I can do fan testing. Alright, here's the light on. Let's do a quick spin now. Whoops. Here we go. High, medium, low. Let me get the speed there. There we go. Just give you a little bit of the speed. So I am gonna have to replace the capacitor. I mean, I might do a remake of it. But I'm not gonna replace the capacitor because I want to get some fancy animations and sell some. Anyways, I'll turn it off. Oh, whoops, wait. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna be taking it down eventually. Alright, that's it. That's the Harbor Breeze on Builder series. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Signing out.